Gombe governor donates N14 m to families of 7 deceased journalists. Gombe State Governor Mohammed Inuwe Yahaya has donated the sum of N14 million to the families of 7 journalists and media workers who lost their lives in a tragic motor accident along the Billiri-Kumo road recently. The fatal crash occurred on December 29, 2025, as the journalists were returning from the wedding ceremony of a colleague in Kaltungo local government area of the state. Each bereaved family received N2 million in financial support from the governor. The cash was presented to the families on Friday through the secretary to the state government, Ibrahim Abubakar Nyodi. The SSG said the intervention was part of Governor Yahaya's commitment to cushioning the impact of the painful loss on the affected families. Nyodi disclosed that an initial token of support had earlier been provided to the families of the injured victims immediately after the incident. He added that the governor has also assumed full responsibility for the medical treatment and hospital bills of those who sustained injuries and are currently receiving care. Our hearts have been restless since this tragic incident. While we cannot bring back the departed or fully compensate for the loss, His Excellency has approved this support. The government has taken full responsibility for the medical bills of those who survived, he said. He stressed that the funds were not compensation, but a gesture of compassion aimed at supporting the families during this difficult period. He also reiterated the present administration's commitment to the welfare of journalists, expressing deep sorrow over the monumental loss to the state and the media profession. Professor Nyodi further conveyed the governor's heartfelt condolences to the families of the deceased, the Nigeria Union of Journalists, NUJ, the management of the National Television Authority, NTA, and the entire media community, urging the bereaved families to take solace in the will of Allah. Responding during the event, the national president of the Nigeria Union of Journalists, NUJ, Al-Hassan Yahaya Abdullahi, expressed profound appreciation to the Gombe state government for what he described as a swift, compassionate and unprecedented intervention. He noted that the NUJ members nationwide were deeply grateful for the support extended to both the families of the deceased and journalists currently receiving medical treatment. Yahaya also called on the federal government to fast-track the implementation of life and health insurance schemes for journalists, urging state governments, including Gombe, to key in once the policy is implemented. Speaking on behalf of the bereaved families, Barrister Abubakar Ahmed praised Governor Inuwe Yahaya for the gesture, describing the intervention as the first of its kind in the state's history. This support of N2 million to each family will go a long way in addressing both the immediate and long-term needs of the dependents. We truly lack words to express our gratitude, he said.